Big Rachel, big trendy, you know the vibes.
Big trendy, the trendiest. I was like the trendiest, the trendiest.
I'm in on this place. Tryna see Frank Ocean. Bad bitch, Nova Scotia, you know she in love with the way that I'm flowing. Call me some diamond, this shit overflowing. Okay, on some flights, man, it feel like we torn.
Shout out to the six. Shout out to the six, man.
Crush, now I'm snoring. One day we gon' make it lay back in that phone. Real problem when it comes to the issue.
Holy. Alright, should I start with these? I'm gonna see what's inside the box. I already know what's inside the box, so. But this is some cold.
Oh, realistically, I didn't know you were a New Balance case, though.
Come on. See, that's the thing, though. I'm not an Adidas guy, but.
No, I'm not an Adidas guy. I'll rock
Not
New
an
Balance.
Adidas guy, but New Balance?
New Balance was always in
These?
style.
Bro.
So.
You see the name right here? Some goat shit right here, man. Oh my god. These, I already know what these are. You guys just have to see what these are. These is so. These is cold, bro. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care what anybody says, bro. I don't care what anybody says, bro. Saleh Bembry. I saw him post these and I was like, yeah, I have to copy these. I have to. I have to. These are cold. These are actually so cold. These are actually so cold. But yeah, you know, we're adding to the collection, but besides the kicks, this is the main focus of today. Now, shout out my boys at Yankee Kicks, because that's where all those cases come from. Everybody's gonna ask me, they're gonna say, where'd you get the cases from? It's up on the screen, Yankee Kicks. Go cop. They have the side front, they have the side drop, or the front. Side is ugly as hell, so you already know. So when I first got these boxes or crates, cases, whatever you want to say, my thing was like, I always wanted a setup of my shoes just being out in the front. Like I always like, okay, yeah, when I get all my kicks, I'm gonna have them so I can see them, because I was never a shoebox guy. Having my shoes in a pile of boxes, to take a shoe from the bottom and you don't want that shoe, you gotta slide out, this drops down. It's just not the vibe. I was always on the hunt for sneaker cases, but I didn't want like the no drop and you just put the shoe in. I didn't want it from the side. I didn't want the shelf. The shelf wasn't a bad idea, but the way my room's set up, the shelf is not gonna work. I was always looking for affordable ones, but bro, some of these places were taxed and some of them had like lights in them and I did not need all of that. Some of them were talking about, oh, it doesn't, you know, ruin your shoes over time when you leave them in there. So I was like, okay, bro, I'm not paying that much for these. So when I came across Yankee Kicks, I was like, okay, like this is it. And to be honest, I think we started with 10, then I upgraded to a 20, and then, no, I did 20 first initially. And then the second time now, I did 20 again. So now it's just like I'm filling up all these cases, and then soon, I think very soon, I'm gonna need another 20. So Yankee Kicks has come through and this is my go-to, but I'm gonna show you guys like how to set it up right now. Cause the instructions, I'm not gonna lie to you, the instructions are terrible. But you know, it's Big Trendy and we're here to guide you, you feel me? These two big ones are the bottom and the top. The one with the engraving on it like this is the top. Sorry, is the bottom. The one with like this, cause this is what sits in this. When you look at it like this is what sits in it, because this has the inside. Well, you take the bottom and then you have the walls and then that's the top. But with the bottom, literally you're just snapping it in. It's pretty self-explanatory, I won't lie to you. But on the instructions, it doesn't tell you which one's the top and the bottom. So before you make the mistake of doing it backwards, I'm letting you know now that the one with the square engraved is the bottom and the one where it popping out is the top. And you just snap these in. And then the top goes on, snap it in. Every time you hear a click, when you put it in, that's how you know you're doing something right. There you go. And then with the front, there's one with the open, and then there's a clear one. The clear one is the back. It doesn't matter which side you put it on, because as long as you did it right from top to bottom, it doesn't really matter. That's the back. And then here, you gotta put the door inside the case. But again, pretty self-explanatory. You know what side the door comes down because the magnets and the holes are right there. And then once you click it in, you'll hear the snap. Boom, that's the door. And then you just put this on the top. And everything snaps in and there you go. So we gotta find a way to organize all these boxes to kind of formulate like the way I want it to formulate around the TV, but I might go one more row up here and then just stack it all up. Kind of like the way I have it here. Oh, man. Made life easier. Let me move this.
Oh, no, just slide it over there. Slide it over there. This one's not going over there. It's this one.
Oh, that's the last one. Oh, okay, I got you.
Or, not really. I could just do this.
Hella sneakers over here. Oh, you sound like you're out of breath. Nigga move like 6 boxes and starts breathing. All right, nah, but
What's that thing? What you say?
with the lotion and the crep protect, yo, crep protect really works, bro. I should have got that on film. All right, this is not bad actually. And then we just shelf up. You know what's funny too is I was never expecting to go one more row up. I was not.
Nah, it could work still. And it fits perfectly.
Perfectly. Honestly, I like it. Now we're on a mission to just buy more shoes because I need 20 more shoes. Actually, wait. Let me put these in there. We gotta fill up the top row. We have to. Yeah, we have to. Actually, no. We might have to reorganize all of this.
You have to reorganize it.
Holy smokes. Because I'm gonna go. Air Forces, yeah, those can go anywhere just to take up space. They're gonna end up leaving regardless. You want them right now?
Put them in there now. So no, I mean this one.
Oh, those. The heaters, man. Oh yeah, I forgot about it. So I'm probably gonna have to move all the ones over. Cause how many pairs of ones did I say I had? 7, right, or 8? 8 pairs of ones. So that goes all right there.
7.
7? Okay, so that goes right there in the middle row.
Right here.
Yeah. And then there's
You can do it right now.
8 pairs of 4s. We could, to be honest.
It's up to you, so.
But you see how the way we had it organized? Like 1, 3, 4, 5, dunk.
But I mean,
And then random kicks.
realistically, when you're putting it down here, you just have that one box that's gonna.
Hey, you could go buy a pair of 1s tomorrow. Do that too. To be honest, you know, yeah, put the 1s on the right. Yeah, let's put the 1s on the right side. Let's put the 1s on the right side. Whatever next shoe comes in is what takes up that spot.
It'll look good when you put it underneath here.
Yeah, you can put all the Air Forces. I have 3 more pairs of Air Forces right now.
Yeah, you have 3 spots.
Some of them are crispy, some of them are. Who cares? Doesn't matter to me. I'm about to go grab the other one. I have a next one in the hallway. And then you got it nice. Look at this now. I don't think I'm gonna go farther though. I need space for the desk. Y'all go subscribe, follow the Twitch. You already know. But I'm not going one more row. I'm not gonna go one more row. Cause I'm gonna leave this all like this and boom. My other carpet's coming in too. Y'all see the Pokemon one? Next carpet's going right under the desk, bro. That next carpet, bro.
There you go.
Smart guy. Appreciate you, my dog. With that being said, I just want to give a huge shout out to Yankee Kicks for all the boxes. If you guys want to go cop, check the website out. I'll put it right down at the bottom of the screen. They have the side drops and the front drops. YankeeKicks.com, or I think it's YankeeKicksStore.com. One of the two. If you're new, subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. I'm going to catch you on the next one.